Hello guys and welcome to VoloKin Project. Today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and review of the Kitsound Slummers, the 15 quid headphones from Tesco. Are they any good? Let's find out. Okay guys, so let's do a quick live unboxing and compare them with cheap headphones like the real box over here and like the Betron over here guys. So let me get my unboxing knife over here, but before that let's have a look at the back, and there's something which bothers me a little bit. Check this out guys. With the features over here you get up to 5 hours play time. Basically most of the competition gets double or triple than that. But anyway, let's unbox this baby and see what we have guys. Hopefully I'm not gonna cut my fingers too much. Okay, this side is done. Not really. Man, I'll never learn. Okay, anyway, right, let's see what do we have. A pair of cheap cables over here, quite understandable for 15 quid headphones. And now the headphones themselves. Let's see what do we have. Man, that plastic feels kind of terrible, to be honest with you, straight out of the box. The padding is quite firm actually, and there's your indicators left and right over here. They kind of fold. Let's see if they fold. Okay, the steps are nice. Let's see how many steps do we have. One, two, three, four. 4-ish steps, something like that. And let's see how they actually fold, if they fold guys. That assembly over here looks like they fold, but apparently they don't, because I might break this thing. Actually it feels a little bit flimsy, but yeah, don't try to fold them. Anyway, the padding looks quite nice, to be honest with you. So yeah, there's only one way to see how good are they. Let me put them on, test them up a little bit, and see how they sound. So what else do you have? The microphone over here, 3.5 jack, the micro USB charging port, volume up and down, indication light, and the power button. So let's power these babies on. Okay, I've got a blue light, small sound. Now it's on Bluetooth connected mode. Let me pair them with my PC and with my phone, and I'm gonna tell you how they sound in a sec. Okay guys, after a very professional sound testing, I have concluded some not very nice things about those headphones, but let's first talk about the cables. Now, this micro USB cable over here cannot be used to download data from your smartphone, but that's how the situation is with most cheap headphones. Basically, it's used only for charging the headphones. And the 3.5mm cable is long 128 centimeters, which is pretty much the standard length of those cables. Now the headphones themselves, they're quite comfortable, to be honest with you, and the thing is that they embrace all of your ear and they provide a good sound insulation. But however, when it comes down to the sound itself, they're pretty much below average when plugged with a 3.5mm cable. And usually, unlike most of the wireless headphones, when you connect them with the Bluetooth, the sound changes and it becomes better. Well, in this case it becomes a little bit better, but they're pretty much below average still. And the worst thing is that there is no bass whatsoever on those headphones, and the sound signature is pretty much flat. You know, the equalizer setting flat, well, that's how those headphones sound. And the big problem is that they usually cost 30 quid. That's the usual price on these headphones. I bought them from 15 quid from Tesco's, and you can still find them about the 15 quid mark. But my recommendation for those headphones would be slummers. You know what that stands for? Just slam them in the bin and move to something else. For example, the Betron headphones over here, way much better build quality, way nicer. I've got the review coming real soon. And the recently reviewed Realbox XBT880, an amazing bass and about 25 quid in the UK. So don't waste your money on the slummers. Get yourself a proper Chinese headphones, which are way better than the UK made ones, or probably they're Chinese made. But anyway, thank you very much for watching guys, and see you in the next one.